Welcome to Crack a Pack. My name is Andrew. Today we're cracking open March of the Machine. Let's get cracking. Our first card today is a Warrior token. Then we have a Rugged Highlands. Our multiversal legend is Tetsuko Umezawa Fugitive. Our battle is Invasion of Karsus, which can be recast as Refraction Elemental. Then we have Harried Artisan, which transforms into Phyrexian Skyflare. Then we have Oracle of Tragedy, Furnace Gremlin, Kami of Whispered Hopes, Angelic Intervention, Stasis Field, Inspired Charge, Alabaster Host Sanctifier, Serpent Blade Assailant, Oculus Whelp, Hanger Scrounger, and Ichor Drinker to round out the pack. Now today's pack one, pick one. I think I'm going to give it to Invasion of Karsus. Reading through this, I really like this. So for 2 red is a battle with 4 defense counters, and when Invasion of Karsus enters the battlefield, it deals 3 damage to each creature and each planeswalker. So immediately it is just a mini board wipe. Then when it's recast, Refraction Elemental is a 4/4 creature with ward pay 2 life, and whenever you cast a spell, Refraction Elemental deals 2 damage to each opponent. So, as long as you're casting anything, any spell, this deals 2 damage to each opponent directly. And if they want to target Refraction Elemental at all, they have to pay 2 life. After a mini board wipe from the battle ETBing, I mean, it's just wanting you to draft into, like, mono red does good things, right? Mono red wins. It's wanting like lots of cheap spells. It's wanting, I mean, basically just lots of cheap spells so you can do your board wipe, not care about anything that you might lose, then flood the board, hit the battle a bunch, and then keep flooding the board once Refraction Elemental's out. And it doesn't even have to be flooding the board. It can just be casting a bunch of 1 mana instants and sorceries too. So that is going to be my pick for this pack. There are other good options in here though, so if you have a different pick one, please let me know in the comments below. And that's all for today. Thank you for cracking along with me. Be sure to check back tomorrow as I crack open another pack.